Hi folks, this is Tim Hyden over at Matt Slap Subaru. We want to thank you for your purchase. I'm one of the delivery specialists here at the dealership. This brief video, I'm going to go over how to operate the features and controls to get you acclimated with your new Subaru. Alright, well I'm back. I'm inside a Forester. The first thing I'd like to show you guys, if you have not done this first time that you came here, is how to pair your phone. Subaru is very, very easy, whether it's Android or iPhone. So if it's an Android, you're going to go into your settings and you're going to click connected devices. At that point, some phones you have to hit scan. Some phones you just go ahead and hit the Bluetooth and hit yes, and eventually Subaru BT will come up on your phone down at the bottom. See, I have to hit the little scan buttons to get a little arrow, and then Subaru BT comes up right there. As you can see, it's going to give you a pair and a pin. They're always matching, so don't worry about worrying if it matches. As you can see, I'm connected. Download phone book. It's going to allow yes on the phone. That allows the contacts and the messages to download. Now with the iPhone's a little more simpler. You're going to go into the settings. It's a little sprocket on your phone, and you're going to just open your Bluetooth. When you open the Bluetooth, it'll do the same thing. You're going to pair, allow, that's your contacts. Allow again is your messages. Now if you want your text messages to show on the iPhone, you have to go and hit the little I button where it says Subaru BT. There'll be a little I with a blue circle. You hit that and then you're going to slide over show notifications. At that point, all your messages are right there.
New message: Hey Tim, Fred Dingle, give me a call back please, 302-588.
Well, anyway, so I can respond to that person with this particular infotainment system in the Forester with instant responses. They're pretty generic. They're not very elaborate, but they get to the point. I'll call you later. I'll be running a little late. Be there soon. Yes, no, thanks. So it's pretty cool, and that's under messages. Programming your map for your home address, you just go to menu, under maps, search for destinations. You're going to plug in. In this case, this is here at the dealership. If you want to save that in your favorites, you just select that little star. And then if you want to set that as like a home, you just go back into your menu again, previous addresses, there's your favorites. And then you're going to go here and then set home. And most of the times that search would have been saved that you already put in the home address. So you select that and the home will be saved at that point. So that's your maps. Media is your CD or anything with your phone, Pandora, Spotify, Google Music, Amazon Music. You can stream anything through your Bluetooth, okay? Apps, you got some cool stuff going on. You got travel links. So you got sports, your favorite teams, who has the cheapest gas. Stocks, if you're investing money in stocks, as well as your 3 to 6 hour forecast in 5 days. Now you can do up to 20 locations with the travel link. So it's pretty cool. You can add your favorite teams. Let's see if anybody added a team. I like football. I'm a diehard Philly fan, so I will go in and put the Philadelphia Eagles in there, even though they're not playing right now. But so if they were playing, I can see what the score is, if they're in progress, who they won or lost to, and who they're playing in the near future. So that's really cool. You're getting that free for 3 years. And that's, again, Travel Link under apps. Now, depending upon what phone you have, the Android Auto is a little more difficult to set up. You have to have not gone over this with you, or Ashley has not. The Android, you have to plug it in and just keep allowing. The Apple just says, do you want to enable Apple? Yes. Boom, it lights up. It's a little easier. And then as you can see right here on your steering wheel, you have a voice command, a little picture of a man's face. If you were to hold that in, that's going to give you your Google commands and your Siri commands. So you can say, Siri or Google, where's the best pizza place in Delaware? Siri or Google, text mom. Siri or Google, call mom. Siri or Google, navigate home. I'm sure you get the idea at this point. Okay, now I'm going to go get into the safety in the Subaru. A lot of so if you have eyesight, which these are your cameras here, left and right of the mirror, just a little hint, if you do have easy passes, please keep them away from the cameras. Either put it down in the top of the window by the A-frame, or put it down by the window, matching the dash, or either side. So with the eyesight, your cameras are doing multiple things for the safety. The first thing I'd like to point out is, if you have, this is your lane centering, as you can see. That basically, so what lane centering does is these cameras are reading the painted lines, and it doesn't actually beep at you anymore. Subaru used to have lane keep assist, but the customer said it was just too much beeping with all the safety. So Subaru canceled out the beeping, so it just strictly nudges you, keeping you directly centered in your lane. Now this feature can be turned off permanently. All the other safety features I'm going to go over with you guys, they come on in ignition driven all the time. Okay, so this car has blind spot monitoring. As you can see, the little windows on the inside of the mirror, the little tinted section, that is your indicator that if you're getting ready to go into someone's other lane with your turn signal on, that will light up and it will beep at you. That is the blind spot monitoring. Now you also have rear cross traffic alert in this with that feature. So if I'm backing out and I don't see a car coming in that 180-degree fisheye camera, these two indicators will light up and go beep 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 beep, and it'll tell me, whoa, 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 I got somebody coming. So I'm not going to back into their direction. So we're going to move our way up to here. So the lane keep assist is a lot different than the lane centering, okay, that I went over just a moment ago. This is just going to give you an audible and a visual right here that you're going outside your lane. So if you see those little blue lines here and here, it will light up like amber that you're going over that particular line, whether it's your center or whether it's the shoulder. This is my favorite feature. This is emergency brake assist, okay? So in my situation, I live in Maryland where there's a lot of deer, and a deer, as you know, run right out in front of you, and in most cases you're gonna hit it. That's also designed if someone stops in front of you in a vehicle, you're not paying attention. It happens to all of us. I don't care how good of a driver you are, but accidents do happen. As well as pedestrians walk out in front of you, kids on their phone, they're not paying attention crossing the road. So what this does is these cameras again read what's in front of you, and if any of those situations, a dog, a deer, a car, a pedestrian, a bicyclist, were to go in front of the vehicle and you're driving and you don't have enough time to hit the brake, the car's going to go object detected right up here in your center display. Beep, 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 beep. And if you don't slam on the brakes, the car will stand on the brakes and stop completely, hopefully preventing you from hitting anything or anyone. So that's pretty much the safety equipment this car comes with. Again, lane centering, lane keep assist, emergency brake assist, blind spot with rear cross traffic alert. Okay, in this video I'm going to go over Starlink. Okay, the Starlink you're getting for 3 years. It's an awesome feature to have. The Starlink is located up here, and you can do an upgrade, which I'm sure your salesperson went over that with you. But the most important thing is the free stuff. The SOS button is going to contact any 911 dispatcher, a paramedic, a police officer, an ambulance, a fireman, any of the normal 911 calls. That would be what that button is designed to do. The I button is really cool. It's roadside assistance, and again, you're getting all this for 3 years free through Subaru. So I'm going to give you a situation where it's really, really, really awesome. Is that if, let's say, you got a flat tire, your phone's dead, your navigation, if you have it, isn't working, it's the worst day of your life. You don't know where you're at, you're traveling, you can hit that button and a Subaru Starlink representative will come online. She'll know who you are, or the representative will know who you are, where you're parked, whether you have your seatbelt on or not. First they're going to ask you if there's an emergency, but they will know everything, the status of your car, where you're at, who you are, the color of your car, the make of your car. So again, if you got a flat tire and you're distraught, you don't know where you're at, they will be able to pinpoint everything about the car and everything about you and where you are to come out to assist you. And that's what makes Starlink the best out of any car company Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Once again, we appreciate your business. If you do have any future technical questions or any questions about your new Subaru, please feel free to reach out to me. My name is Tim Hyden. My associate as well as a delivery specialist is Ashley Hendricks. You can reach either one of us at 302-453-9900 or visit our website, mattslap.com.